If you've ever wanted to build something out of wood but felt stuck trying to find reliable plans, you probably come across TedsWoodworking. This product claims to give you instant access to over 16,000 woodworking plans, covering everything from small crafts to full-scale furniture and outdoor projects. But the real question is it actually worth it? Let's break it down. One of the biggest frustrations for woodworkers, especially beginners, is finding plans that are detailed enough to follow without second-guessing every step. A lot of free plans online skip measurements, assume you already know advanced techniques, or leave out critical instructions. That's where TedsWoodworking positions itself differently. The main promise here is simple: step-by-step, done-for-you woodworking plans that remove the guesswork. According to the creator, Ted McGrath, this collection has been built over 25 years and includes detailed blueprints, material lists, cutting lists, and multiple angle schematics for each project. In practical terms, that means you're not just getting a sketch and being told, figure it out. You're getting structured instructions from start to finish. Another key point is accessibility. The product emphasizes that you don't need a massive workshop or expensive machinery to get started. Many of the plans are beginner-friendly, and the collection spans all skill levels, from simple small crafts to more advanced builds like sheds, cabinets, pergolas, and even small homes. That range is one of the strongest selling points. Whether you want to build a birdhouse, a coffee table, a workbench, or a storage shed, it's likely included in the database. Now let's talk about what's actually included beyond the plans. You get lifetime access to the members area, which means this is a one-time purchase. There are no monthly fees if you get it at the current offer. On top of the 16,000 plans, new plans are reportedly added. Every month, you can also request custom plans, which is interesting if you have a very specific project in mind. There are also bonus materials included, things like a DWG/CAD plan viewer, a collection of premium woodworking tutorial videos, a guide on starting a woodworking business, and a complete woodworking guide with tips and techniques. So it's positioned not just as a plan database, but as a full woodworking resource library. Of course, whenever you see a product that claims to offer 16,000 plans, it's fair to be skeptical. The real value here depends on how you plan to use it. If you're someone who builds projects regularly, wants variety, and likes having options without constantly searching online, then having everything organized in one place could save a lot of time. On the other hand, if you only need one very specific project and don't plan to build much else, you might not use the full depth of the library. Another thing worth mentioning is the 60-day money-back guarantee. That gives you time to go through the plans and see if the quality meets your expectations without taking a major risk. From a cost perspective, the current one-time price of $67 is positioned as a limited launch deal. Compared to buying individual plans or woodworking magazines over time, it could be cost-effective, especially if you actually use it. So who is TedsWoodworking really for? It seems best suited for beginners who want structured guidance, hobbyists who enjoy exploring new builds, and even experienced woodworkers who like having a large reference database on hand. It's probably not a magic solution that makes woodworking effortless overnight. You'll still need tools, materials, and patience. But having detailed plans can definitely reduce mistakes and wasted materials. At the end of the day, the value comes down to how serious you are about woodworking and how often you plan to build. If you'd like to check it out, I'll leave the official link in the description. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.